This washing machine from Hoover is an excellent choice if you want a smart model with incredible technology to make laundry days effortless. It has an excellent 1600 RPM spin speed, an A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. Hoover's state-of-the-art AXI technology uses artificial intelligence to give you ultimate control over your washing machine. Once you've downloaded Hoover's Wi-Fi app to your smartphone, you can use high-tech voice control to access a host of incredible washing options. AXI will take complete care of your clothes, from learning your favorite wash programs, adding the perfect amount of detergent, and even recommending the best time to wash based on the weather forecast. So no matter what life throws at you, AXI will have the perfect solution to make sure your laundry is always fresh and clean. Thanks to Hoover's clever Total Care program, you can now wash different colors and fabrics at the same time. It washes at a cool 30 degrees to clean your clothes without the colors running. This means your clothes will come out looking as good as new, so you needn't worry about mixing work shirts with your favorite dress. If you're looking for a washing machine with incredible technology to make laundry days effortless, this smart model from Hoover is perfect for you.